All right, so this will be for a drop-down menu. So let's say you probably do it more for the entire column. So we're going to choose a column. We'll choose this one that doesn't have anything in it yet. And when you choose it, then you just simply right-click on it. And as you go down, you will see that we've got a choice of a drop-down. So when we click that drop-down, it's going to open up our little menu here. So it wants to apply to ranges. So you can set a range on here to whatever you want. So if you don't want to start here, if you want to keep a title here and then do it from underneath, it would just be G2, and then you can have a title up here. But to set your range, I'm just doing the entire column so you get to see what that looks like. The criteria is the drop down like we want. And now I put my options in here. So I'm going to say, so one option could be sick, one option could be parents, yada, yada, yada. You can keep adding as many as you want to. And I'm going to click done. Now, on my drop down, each one, I can just choose which one I want it to do. And it will show up like this. So it'll make your data entry a lot faster with this little drop down. So remember, you're simply just going to, if you just want the one square, however many you want, just right click on it, go down to where it says drop down, and then choose your range of what you want. This is only for that one square, that one cell. But you can select your range and then put your options in there. That is it.